Come on. What is up, guys? Zachariah back with another video. Today we are playing this game. It's a game. It's called Minigames. Epic Minigames. We are back with Epic Minigames Part 2. This time we're not with Jenny Benny. We are with Lightning Storm and Rosie Scheimer, who randomly joined the game. So yeah, let's play. Let's go. So yeah, Lightning Storm, we are playing with her today. She's right there. And Rosie Scheimer just joined randomly. It's 11 o'clock at night, so don't expect me to be doing this. But I want to. And I can. Do whatever you want when you grow up. If you want to be a pineapple, be a pineapple. If you want to be a helicopter, be a helicopter. Do whatever you want in life. Why am I not joining games? Makes no sense whatsoever. Why am I not joining games? Let's just spectate because I can't do anything else. Spectating getting a noob. Fell off an edge. Stardust. Lightning Storm. Stardust. She's gonna lose. Oh! Oh, I knew it. Rosie, I'm your biggest fan. What? Thank me. 'Cause she joined me. Ooh. I don't want to spectate players. I can't see anything. Why am I not in the game? Do people not care about me anymore? They're not letting me join the game. This one's easy. I had so much people die already. Oh, I forgot about that part. She got it. She's gonna die. Watch this. Watch this little lady right here. She's not a little lady. Oh, she did. Oh. I knew it. I knew it the second I saw it, sir. Up. I'm tricky. Okay, we're in the game now. What in the world? We're not in the game. Okay, we're just gonna be spectating all day then. It's not like a mat or anything. But why can't we play games? Spectating Rosie Scheimer. She's just trying to run away from people. Let's spectate. Is she still alive? Lightning Storm. Zoom in. It's a better view. See how she does with her raccoon. That's a hedgehog, not a raccoon. Okay, she's gonna win. Easy peasy. Rosie's timer has 15 seconds to kill everybody else. Stay alive. Oh, that's what the level is. That was every man for himself. Ah, that was a yawn. I don't get how Rosie Scheimer won, because she can't really die. I'm not going in the games. Acid, spitting llama. Maybe he'll let me go in his game today. Oh, shoot, I put the face cam too close. Okay. We're in the game. No, we're not. I feel bad for OMG Comic Starlight. More like Dan TDM. First of all, I'm a fan of his. Second of all, what? Rosie? Ah. First of all, I'm a fan of his. Second of all, what, Rosie? Oh, listen to this, man. Let me be in this one. It's my favorite one. I love this one. It's fun. What? I'm not going in the mini games. Makes no sense whatsoever.
Keep going. I know that, but it's 11:30 at night.
Nobody's asleep.
It's 11:30 at night.
Nobody's asleep.